The SNIA Emerald program is built around the SNIA Emerald specification. It's a test methodology of how to measure a system for its energy efficiency.
So this means that you can be assured that the product you're getting is actually met some sort of energy efficiency standard. You know you've got good power supplies, you know you've got energy ratings and so forth. Now of course the current standards don't rank one as higher than another, but at least you know that it's basically an energy efficient system.
We've worked real hard in the specification to make sure that it's fair across all the different architectures, as products are tested, no one's going to show to be favorable, and that's important for national bodies because they want to establish programs but not change the landscape or the marketplace by putting in programs that could favor one vendor over the other, so it's meant to be an open program. The SNIA Emerald Recognized Test Program is a program that's designed mostly for independent test labs. It's an assurance program where SNIA verifies that the organization is using the test methods and the tools, generating test results in a consistent and repeatable manner. So we do review the facility, we review the staff and their documentation to see that it can be repeatable, and we're seeing the same results that should be in range.
Demartek was the first company to become a SNIA Emerald Recognized Tester. We reviewed our test processes with SNIA, and they've come and looked at what we do, and it's basically their stamp of approval that says, yes, we know what we're doing. We're following the spec, we understand it, and we know how to then apply it to the EPA Energy Star tests.
So what the SNIA Emerald program and the EnergyStar program do is they set that baseline foundation of same test methods of comparing apples to apples instead of apples to oranges. And then it becomes an open industry repository of test results, so that as you're looking to improve your data center for energy efficiency, then you can review what suppliers are providing that technology. Other aspects of the program are cross-industry relationships with national bodies that put in place energy efficiency programs. So the one that we've been working a lot with for the last year has been the USA EPA Energy Star program. We have also been working with the European Union with their programs, as well as in Japan with the Top Runner program. So the Emerald specification is a building block for national bodies to establish energy efficiency programs for their data center. As more data centers are under scrutiny around the globe to have energy efficient equipment, as well as the overall data center being energy efficient, having products that are recognized as having energy efficient components and energy efficient system performance characteristics is important. We do industry training, and we hold training once a year so that vendors that manufacture technology in independent test labs understand how to use the technology and the methodology and the tools that are provided. For any vendor that's never started to do the testing in-house, it's best that they reference the SNIA Emerald website for the training material and the documentation and understand what the total level of effort is, and then decide if they have the staff and resources that they can commit to the program. If they don't, then there's the Recognized Tester program that they can look at. As more data is being generated and stored across the globe, it takes technology to be able to do that, and energy, and so that's the objective of these programs, is to continually squeeze efficiency out of the systems year over year over year.
With the strong adoption of flash, and then what will soon be after, in the next few years, whatever comes after flash, much more energy efficient than hard drives. So we're seeing a big move to that, which means you can drive down your energy consumption in the data center. And then of course with the amount of data we've got, the capacities of flashes are increasing, the networks are getting faster, so you just need more infrastructure, bigger pipes and bigger servers to handle all this data.
Where we want to end up with this program is that all the high volume shipping products that IT consumes around the world is able to reference some national body that has an energy efficiency testing and measurement program, and we SNIA want to have a test methodology that can apply to all the type of storage architectures.